I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence, and I speak Jesus. I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break, declaring there is hope and there is freedom. I speak Jesus, 'cause your name is and your name is healing, and your name is life. So break it.